Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie, and today we're talking about adoption with termination of parental rights. Adoption is one of the most rewarding areas of family law, but it can also be one of the most complex, especially when it involves terminating the rights of a biological parent. In Texas, the legal process of adoption can't begin until the court first ends the rights of one or both biological parents. This step is often emotional, contested, and requires careful legal planning. The courts take the termination of parental rights very seriously. A parent's rights can be voluntarily relinquished, or the court can terminate them involuntarily based on specific legal grounds. These include abandonment, abuse, neglect, long-term incarceration, or failure to support the child. But even in seemingly clear-cut situations, the process isn't automatic or guaranteed. For a voluntary termination to succeed, the biological parent must sign an affidavit of relinquishment. That document must be carefully drafted and meet all statutory requirements. But even then, a judge must agree that terminating the parent's rights is in the child's best interest. The court isn't just a rubber stamp. It looks closely at the child's needs and the fitness of the adoptive parent. In step-parent and grandparent adoptions, things can get particularly tricky. For example, if a biological father is absent or hasn't supported the child, the court may terminate his rights to allow the step-parent to adopt. However, if the biological parent suddenly reappears and contests the termination, the process becomes far more complicated. That's why having the right legal team and support from the start is essential. Once termination is approved, the adoption process can move forward. At this stage, the prospective adoptive parent undergoes a background check, a home study, and a hearing. If the court determines that adoption is in the child's best interest, it issues a final adoption decree, giving the adoptive parent the same rights and responsibilities as a biological parent. Adoption creates a permanent legal relationship. The child gains inheritance rights and a legal identity connected to their new parent. This is more than paperwork. It's a life-changing moment that solidifies a bond in the eyes of the law. It's a celebration, but it also reflects months and sometimes years of legal work behind the scenes. Navigating this process alone can be overwhelming. Whether you're a step-parent, a relative, or a foster parent seeking adoption, you'll face a maze of statutes, procedures, and emotional hurdles. The process is highly structured for a reason. It's designed to protect the child. But with the right guidance, you can successfully build the family you've dreamed of. If you're considering adoption in Texas or need help terminating parental rights to protect a child, the Law Office of Bryan Fagan is ready to stand by your side. Call us today for experienced, compassionate legal representation that puts children first, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.